Good morning students. Welcome to YouTube channel of St. Joseph Senior Secondary School, Piparia. I Jaya Maheshwari is here to teach you chapter number 10, our neighborhood. Students, you live in a house surrounded by a colony or a society or varieties of house. What is neighborhood really means? Neighborhood is surrounding what or where do you live, in which colony do you live, or from where you belong, from which neighborhood you belong. What is really neighborhood means? There are several houses and buildings around your house. These houses and buildings forms your neighborhood. You cannot live alone in a society or in a colony. There are many more houses near you or surrounded by your house. So, the house that are surrounded by your house are called neighborhood. The people living in your neighborhood means the people who are living in that houses or in that buildings are called your neighbors. We can say our nearby house some members are living. So they are your neighbors. And neighborhood is surrounding buildings and houses. From where you belongs or to which colony you belongs is called your neighborhood. But neighbors is the person who is living in that building or houses. Neighbors help one another in different times of difficulty. If you need something, or we can say that if you are in need of anything or any help from your neighbors, so neighbors can help you and you can help your neighbors. So neighbors help one another in their times of difficulty. They celebrate festivals together. Many times we cannot go far away to our cousins or to our family members. So the people surrounded by you, you celebrate many functions with them. You cannot go to your house for any function, or you cannot easily go to far places. So what you do in that situation? You call your neighbors and do a get together or party or any festival celebration together, right? So you all celebrate festivals together. They help you sometimes in your need. Many times we are facing any problem or we are not having something that we are really want. So we can take that thing from our neighbors. They can help us and we can also help them. It is called our neighbors. The people living in our neighborhood are called neighbors. Right? Houses and buildings. Houses and buildings. Many times you see different things are also there in your neighborhood. Means some school is there, or maybe some bank, hospital, or anything else is there in your neighborhood. That is also too important to survive, na? You need a school in your neighborhood, you need a hospital for emergency purpose, you need a marketplace near your house. These are the common things which you are in need, and it should be near to your place or to your house. So the things surrounded by you makes a neighborhood. And these things are also included in this. What are they? Market. Every neighborhood has a market. We buy many things such as food, clothes, toys, vegetables and fruits from the market. Let us meet some people who provide us with these things. You go to a market on a regular basis or sometimes for purchasing something, right? You take vegetables from market. You purchase your stationery from from market. You purchase chocolate, biscuit, chips from market. So who are they? Or from where you buy these things? Stationery. I am stationery. I sell copies, books, pens, pencil, etc. The things you are needed for your study. The things you are needed for your study purpose, we get from stationery. We get from stationery. Greengrocer. I am greengrocer. I sell green vegetables. You have seen many vendors near you. Vendors who comes door to door and sell vegetables. So, who are greengrocers? Greengrocers are those who sell green vegetables, or from them we can purchase vegetables, fresh vegetables. They provide us fresh vegetables. Then come to our next topic, confectioner. I am a confectioner. I sell bread, butter, sweet, etc. The fresh things, cake or pastries you buy from bakery, na? So who cook these things for you? Confectioner. We get these things from confectioner. Then fruit seller. I am a fruit seller. I sell fruits. These are the things you are surrounded with, or we can say we have to make a house in that place only where we get these things available. It is easy to get. Then bank. Yesterday I went to a bank with my grandfather. A bank provides very useful service in a neighborhood. We can keep money and jewelry in the bank. We take them out when we need them. If you keep your money or your jewelry in house, it is possible that this thing can be stolen. Right? Thief can come and steal these things. So, bank is a safe place where we can keep our things in a bank, and it is safe also. We can take a loan from bank. We can go and deposit our money in a bank. Bank is a very useful service in our neighborhood. Hospital and dispensary. The dispensary of Dr. Gupta is near the bank. The doctor treats the sick people in a hospital or dispensary. I am a nurse. I work in a hospital. I take care of the people who are admitted in the hospital. For what purpose hospital is needed, or we can say hospital is compulsory in our neighborhood? At a time of emergency. If some emergency can come, if you got a hurt or some bad occurs in a family, so we have to take immediately to a hospital, to a doctor, right? So hospital is also a very important place. You cannot say that if hospital is not there, so it's okay, we will manage and all. Neighborhood important part is hospital also. So at the time of emergency, we can go fast to a hospital without any delay. Who are there in the hospital? Doctors, nurse, right? Doctor treats a patient. Nurse take care of a patient, right? Without nurse, what can all thing a doctor can do? No. They need a helper for the work. So nurse help them and take care of our health. I give them medicine and injection to make them feel better. Nurse gives the injection and medicines to feel us better. To call an ambulance, we have to dial 102 on the telephone. At the time of emergency, we can call an ambulance. For that, what we have to dial in a telephone? 102. For emergency purpose, to call an ambulance, we should dial 102 on our mobile phones. Ambulances have been used for over 500 years. They were first used in Spain in 1487. From 1487, the ambulances are getting used. Police station. The police station in the neighborhood has several policemen and officers on duty. Some of them takes round of the streets on motorbikes. This way, they prevent crime. To call the police, we have to dial 100 on the telephone. How do police help us? If some case happens on the street, somebody snatching your thing, or the thief come at your home, or somebody is beating someone very badly, at that time police help us. And to call a police, if you see these things happening in your society or in your neighborhood, so you should dial 100 on your telephone to call a police. Then police will come and take action against the criminals. Postal services. Postal services means the letters we post in a letter box can go, or we can say it can be delivered to a person to whom we are writing a letter. A post office is a useful service in a neighborhood. It helps us to keep in touch with people far away. We buy stamps, envelope, money order forms and other things from the post office. A postman delivers letter to us. We can send money to our relatives. Nowadays, you all are using WhatsApp, Gmail and Instagram and other social medias. So you are not getting rid of letter box or writing a letter to a relative who are living far away from you. So previously, when these social media sites are not there, at that time, if somebody wants to deliver their message or send their message to someone, they are using post office or post letter only. At that time, we are not having any facility, any other facility to send our message. So we are using post boxes. Fire station. Sometimes when a building catches fire, we call the fireman from the fire station. In the neighborhood, firemen save people and things from being burned. To call the fire brigade, we have to dial 101 to our telephone. In our society, sometimes an accident happened or fire catches on the buildings. So we call the fire brigade at that time. For calling the fire brigade, we have to dial 101 on our telephones. So these are the important places or important things needed for our society, for our neighborhood. Without these things, we cannot survive. So these are the part of our neighborhood. Only people can live in our neighborhood is not important. These things should also be present in our neighborhood. So we can take help from these things. It should be a school, colleges and a hospital near our house. So we can go easily there without any delay at the time of emergency, right? These all things are important part of our neighborhood. And what is our neighborhood? There are several houses and buildings around your house. These houses and buildings forms your neighborhood. And who are your neighbors? Neighbors are those who live in these houses and buildings. The people living in your neighborhood. People living in your neighborhood are called your neighbors. And these all things are important for our neighborhood. Here we have completed this chapter. Thank you. Bye bye students and take care all of you.